construction update, and I'm excited to share with you today that I'm going to be taking you around with some of my friends here at Arcadia to show you some of the common areas, and we're going to get started with Chip over at the lobby.
So right now we're in the main entrance in the lobby for the independent living section of Arcadia. We've got a two-story atrium as you walk in. Front desk check-in over here. We're going to have some nice stone columns going up, kind of spice up the area. Create a really nice environment as people come into the building.
It's crazy to think about everything that we're looking at here, all the mud from all the rain, and in just about a year it's going to be this beautiful lobby with natural stonework and just a really nice, inviting environment for people. So it's really cool.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Hi, Kate. How are you doing today?
It's good to see you. I'm doing good.
Fancy meeting you here.
I know. Where are we?
This is the pub for the independent living room. So I would believe this will be a pretty popular place for the residents.
I mean, this is where I'm going to be every time I visit.
I'll be sure to find you here. But we have a great outdoor patio right here.
Okay.
As you can see, the floor is ready for concrete. So tomorrow they'll actually be pouring on the floor. So we'll be ready to put some bar stools here tomorrow.
So this is literally where the bar is going
This
to be.
is literally, I'm the bartender.
Okay.
You are the resident.
About a year from now, we'll be here again, right?
We'll reconvene for happy hour.
Okay, very cool.
All right, that sounds fantastic.
Thanks, DJ.
Kate. Have a
See you
great
later.
day.
Hi, Ryan. It's good to see you.
See you.
Thanks for taking time out of your day. I know you're busy managing this whole project here, but where are we standing in now? It doesn't look like much.
Right now we're standing in the back of the chapel.
That's wonderful. I think that's going to be one of the really solid foundations of the community because we have that really unique affiliation with St. Teresa's Parish, and the faith-based approach is something that really sets us apart from other communities in the area. So tell me a little bit about what's going on with this space, where we are today.
Yeah, behind us we're starting to backfill and get the foundation drains in and bring this up to level, and then you'll be able to see the hallway starting to form and the walls starting to come through here to actually make this a chapel.
So as the foundation's being set for the whole community, it's nice that it's kind of taking shape here at the chapel.
Yep.
Thanks for taking the time. Thanks for tuning in this month for another construction update. I'm here in the dining room, and it must be getting close to lunchtime because you can see the bulldozers are pulling into the dining room. This is going to be a really central area of the community where residents have amazing lunches and dinners in the dining room and in the outside patio just to my right. So I can't wait to show you what's new next month, and thanks for checking in with us.